Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Alilibomo, and in this video, I will specifically take our time to talk about the whole idea of creating your pins on Pinterest. Okay, now if you don't have a Canva account, please go and get one for crying out loud. So this is my Canva, and I'm going to go into the home section. And in the home section, I would show you a few things that you need to know when it comes to creating Pinterest pins. So when it comes to creating your pins on Pinterest, these are the few things you need to take into cognizance when you're creating your pins. Now, what are they? For instance, you come to where you have this plus icon. You can come and search. Okay, search. Now, what I want you to do now is you would search for Pinterest. Now, if you want to create Pinterest pins, eh, ensure you use either this 1000 by 500 pixels or you use this 1080 by 1920 pixels. But if I'm to recommend, the particular one that I use is usually this 1080 by 1920 pixels, because that's most like the longer version of the pins that you see on Pinterest. Okay, so I would recommend that is what you should also use as well. So I'll tell you how you can actually get what videos as well. In your own case, you can just simply type, maybe if you type PI and you've not seen it, just type Pinterest pin. All these options will display. So you tap on this particular one, which is second icon. So in this particular pin, you can decide if you want to create videos or you want to create images. Okay. Now the first thing that will come out is you would see these are my recently used designs that you're seeing here now. Okay, so I recently used designs that I use when I use it in creating my own pins. Your old, you might not see anything there, so you have to scroll down and then you come and start searching. These are like the various templates that are available to you. So you pick the free ones that are available. You pick the free ones that are available. The free ones that are available to you, these are the ones that you're going to use. Now, I think I have a few rules that I want to stipulate here and now when it comes to creating your Pinterest pins. When you pick a template, you must understand that this is the rule that I want you to please take into cognizance. That when you pick a template, it's just nice that you pick a template that have what very large fonts, and you want the text to be easily readable on mobile devices. Okay, the text should be easily readable on mobile device. So when you now start seeing some of all of these designs, like this one that says how to start a sales channel, this particular text that are there, they're not visible. Unlike when you see happiness is a habit, or you see how to become an influencer, growing your followings. I don't know if you can see all of this on my screen. All of these are easily visible, but this one that says this or that, look at it now, it's not always visible or not easily readable. So you must ensure that whatever template you want to use, like this one that says healthy options, is very visible. You see it now. So you must ensure you pick templates that are visible enough that you can read as well. Do you get it now? So that they can read on any mobile device. Now, another thing is that you should also pick templates where the text overlay is at the top part or goes to the middle of the page. That is, when you pick a template, the template should be like this is the ultimate guide to social media marketing. It should be at the top part, or it should be something that is what at the middle of the page. You get it now? Sometimes if it's coming from the bottom, it should be a text that is extended to the middle of the page. Don't just create your pins and then you put your text underneath. No, don't do that. Otherwise, it will not be visible enough. Do you get that now? So I'm giving you all of these rules. So when it is at the bottom part of your page, most times it might not be easily catchy or attractive or easily read to your audience. Do you get it now? So beyond that, another thing I want to say is that most times you don't have to go about looking for templates over and over again. You can just duplicate a particular template and then you run with it over time. So look at all these ones. You see these health tips, Monday and stuff like. Look at this. Okay, look at this one. This title is from the bottom. Sorry, but it crosses to almost the middle of the page. Do you see it now? So look at this one, a book cover. Look at this one. This one is still good, but it will be preferable if it's little bit higher than when it is like when you have this how to start your own business. Look at this how to tighten your budget today. All of these are nice designs, okay, and they are free. And some of them, most of them are actually free, and while some of them are actually pro. Okay, now, I said that what you should also learn to duplicate your designs, okay, so that you will not go back and forth designing over and over again. That is just it. Then, when you want to create this for images, so let me just show you. This is for images. Let me quickly show you something now. This is for images. So let's say we want to pick a particular design here now. For instance, now this is a particular design. Let's say okay, how to start your online business in 3 easy steps. Look at this now. At the top, at the bottom, look at it now. So you see now, this particular pin is freaking, but you can just simply come and maybe change the font size or probably make the text word bold so it can be a little bit more visible. You can see now, or you can change the color, you can change the image on the background by simply coming to click on replace, and then you can come and search on photos, or you can search for photos on Canva, or you can add videos as well. Do you get it now? So you can come out there. This is a template. This is a library of millions of photos that you can actually search for on Canva, and that you can add to your pins, your pin designs. It's very simple. Look at some of the images I've used from Canva. Okay, you're seeing it now on my background. So you can do same as well. Okay, do you get it now? So this is one thing you can do, and there are various images that you can search for using keywords like business, flowers, home, books, office, gold, green, fire, social media, and stuff like that. And you can just start getting what. Let's say click on business for instance. Now you can see that there will be images that will be recommended to us. Some of them are, most of them are pro, some of them are free. So this one is free. This one is free. You can use both the free images to actually do your designs. Now that is how you create designs. Now I'm going to just simply walk you through this whole phase, and that should be all for the time being. So let's say you've created this design. I'm not going to be designing this thing, but at least you should have an idea as per what you're supposed to do when you're creating your own design. Let's say you are done with this particular design for per se, and then you want to do something now. Now I did not highlight anything on my screen. There is no text highlighted and no images highlighted. So you can see this box at the bottom that has 4 square inside. If you click on it, you'll be able to duplicate your pins. And if I duplicate this particular pins, for instance, let's say I want to create another pins like this. I can just come and click on this one. I would not add. Sorry, let me cancel this. Let me see. I will go back. Sorry, let me go back quickly. I'll come to this and then I will duplicate. See now, I can duplicate my paint here. So let's say I want to talk about the same brand, and I don't want to go all over searching for templates, then start designing from scratch. I can just come here, and then what I'll do here is if I click on this particular one that I want to work with, and then we just click on it. Look at what I did. If you want to if you want to redesign or work on this particular template, you just have to come and click on this X icon at the left hand side of your screen. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to somewhere here. So you can come and then you change the font. Let's say, for instance, you change the font. Let's say we pick a particular font like this. Don't mind me. Let me just quickly walk through something. And then if we change the font, we can change the color as well. Let's change the color. Let's make use of black. And then let's change this particular color that is here as well. We can just quickly make it something like this. This is not fine, but let me look for something else that would actually complement. Let me see something like this. Okay, I'm just trying to do something. I didn't prepare for this whole design of stuff. Okay, but you get the idea now. Then let me say this is where you can just this particular text that is here now. Let's move it. Let's look for this text. If there's a text per se here, you can just go and then you change the text color as well to maybe yellow, so that you can get it befitting something that replicates whatever it is you want to do. Now, in this particular place where you have this image, you can come and change the image now. So let me just, so when you click on it, you can just simply come here and then you click on photos. You see there are a lot of photos that are here that are available here. Okay, you can just simply come and pick any of the photos that suits what you are working with or what you are designing. So I've changed the design as well. So you can see now from here within the space of 3 minutes or less, I already have 2 designs. Look at it. Look at the first design. Okay, look at the first design, and of course, look at the second design. So you can create 4 5 pins within the space of 10 to 15 minutes if you know, if you already have whatever it is you want to do. Now remember that you cannot create the same pins using the same design and using the same text or the same title or the same description. You will have to change your title. Like instead of using this start your business online, you can simply use how to grow your business online in 3 easy steps, simple as ABC. So don't use the same title, don't use the same description for the same pins, but you can use what the same word design. Even if you are going to use the same title but different design, don't post them the same time. You can post one this week. Like I can create this particular pin now, for instance, now this particular pin, I will create like 4 5 designs using this same pin, this same particular pin. I will create like 4 5 design about it. Then I will save it. I will show you when I start sharing you, teaching you how to post. I will teach you how to schedule your pins for up to 30 days. So I can create one of these designs today now, like this 5 of these designs, and I will schedule one today, will go live today, one after 7 days, the other after 14 days, the other after 21 days, the other after 30 days. You see it now? So the same pins, the same content, but they would have to be scheduled for within the space of like a whole month ahead. Do you get it now? That's what you have to do. So you can design like 5 pins, can design like 4 pins in a particular post that you've created, and then you schedule them when you get to Pinterest, and then you will be able to publish or upload multiple pins. Okay. If I sit down in a day, once I have ideas for what I want to work with, I can design like 10 pins, and then I will just schedule them to start publishing. Do you get it? Even if I want to publish pins today now, if I design 3 pins today now, I will just look at what is the time in Nigeria, what is the time in the US. Okay, I'll look for the time in the US. I know that I will schedule one for it to start running in the morning in the US, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening. That's just what I'll be doing. That's how I work. So I'll walk you through all of this process as time proceeds. But I just want to show you that this is how you make your designs. Okay, this is just a video on how to create your designs, your image precisely. In the next video, I will show you how to create video pins as well. Thank you for seeing this video to the end. My name is Alan Lebombo, and I'll see you in the next video.